Hello guys! Today I'm going to introduce a professional and experienced pergola manufacturer in China. If you are looking for a reliable pergola solutions partner, then you are on the right track. Don't miss it. Let's go. Your pergolas are created by these experienced technical guys who can do nothing but your dream pergolas. From concept to finished product, we create divination products for you. Okay, here is one of the processing line of pergolas. We have the most advanced equipment to produce the pergolas. This is one of the CNC machine. It ensures the precise cutting for the biggest profiles we need. We choose all the materials based on guarantee for no fading, no rusting, UV protecting, and heat insulating. Later, you will see how we test the materials before the production. Continuous innovation is the direction we have always adhered to. See, one more container is ready for shipping today. I guess our customer in Germany can't wait to see his pergolas. We do OEM and ODM orders for many customers with their famous brand. Whether you need customized design or mass production, we can provide competitive solutions. Contact us immediately for exclusive quotes and samples. Please remember Green On, a reliable sunscreen partner that you can rely on.